Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate primary account on PS5, also known as console sharing and offline play on PlayStation 5. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. First of all, ensure you are logged into the PSN account that you want to make primary account, like this. On the PS5 home screen, you need to navigate to settings, cogwheel icon and select it. In the settings, navigate and select users and accounts and then select other. On the right side, select console sharing and offline play. With the help of this option, you allow users on this PS5 console to play your games and access media even when console is offline. If the console sharing is enabled, you will see options don't disable and disable, like this. On the other hand, if it's off, you will see the enable button. Select enable. Now wait for few seconds and that's it. Console sharing and offline play is now enabled on the PS5 and you have made this account primary on the console. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.